I am going to show you exactly how to create a fun interactive Valentine's game using Canva Code. This is perfect if you want to surprise your Valentine in a creative and playful way instead of just sending a plain message, and you can do this even if you have never used Canva Code before. No coding skills are needed at all. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start by tailoring your prompt. In the description box below, I have placed a ready-to-use Canva Code prompt where you only need to add your theme color, the player character, boy or girl, and the final message you want to appear after they click yes. You can also customize it further if you want, but everything important, including all milestones, love reasons, and interactive features, is already set up for you. If you want to make it more personal, you can go ahead and change the reason per milestone before using the prompt. Once you have added the necessary details to the prompt, head over to your Canva account. On the home page, click on Canva AI. Inside the prompt box, paste the prompt you just tailored and make sure Canva Code is selected before you hit enter. Canva will then start generating your interactive Valentine's game experience. After it finishes generating, test it out first. Play the game and watch your heart runner move across the screen. Reach the milestone scores 50 up to 1,000 to see each reason why you love them appear as soft, elegant pop-ups. When you hit the final milestone, click the yes button to trigger the celebration animation and reveal your custom Valentine message. Hover over the no button to make sure it playfully avoids being clicked. That is part of the fun. If everything looks good, go ahead and click publish. This next step is optional, but if you want the link to be more discreet and not spoil the surprise, you can add a subpath to your link before publishing. Once that is done, click publish again. Before sending it to your Valentine, test it one last time to make sure all milestones and messages appear correctly. When you are satisfied, copy the link and send it to them. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that is it. You have just created a playful, interactive Valentine's game using Canva Code that is fun, personal, and much more memorable than a regular message. If you want more Canva tips, creative design ideas, and beginner-friendly tutorials like this, make sure to like, comment, and follow for more easy Canva tricks you can try right away. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.